A20e from Samsung. It's an entry-level smartphone with a price tag of about $120, about 100 euros. It has dual camera system on the back and the front of the camera for selfies. 5.7 inch of screen is decent enough for most of your tasks, so let's take a look of what's in the box. A fast charger so you can easily recharge A20e. The phone comes with USB Type-C plug, so the cable in the box is a USB-C one. Headphones are a must nowadays, so you'll find such a thing inside A20e's box. That's it.